I ordered one wax statue of my parents. Later, when I ordered, I also did payment also. But later, he was not picking my call. He said that I send it that you track.
What is the biggest money lesson that you all have learned till now in your life?
I think we should wisely use it. Like we should not. If you are thinking that it is like waste of money somewhere you are investing, then you should avoid that. But sometimes you can invest. Also, you can for your happiness, for your you can also.
See, if you are an enthusiast, shopping enthusiast like me, then you have to really control yourself. Whenever you want to buy something, or like you're wanting to buy something, then you should ask yourself a question: is that really needed? Yeah.
Do I need this? Do I need this?
Okay, and what about you?
Actually, we have to pay the money not only by online, but you also can pay with cash also. So it is a big investment, or we can say big saving of money. Or rather than paying online, we can also pay with cash.
Okay.
So it is means we can say we can save our money.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
When we have cash online, then we can pay frequently. So rather than we can take cash.
And you know how much you're spending then.
Yeah, yes.
Exactly. Okay, great. So guys, what is the best advice जो आप लोगों ने सुनी होगी from parents, friends, colleagues, that what is the best advice financially that you all have received?
We can save our money at early stage rather than means we cannot regret in post stage, like we cannot save money, so we can save money in early stage.
सारी EMIs हो गई, रेंट हो गया, सारा खर्चा हो गया और ये पैसे बच गए, इनकी सेविंग्स कर लेता हूँ.
So this advice I've got from my senior.
Sabas!
When you are in student age, like, live your life like a beggar, and then when you will be older, then you'll get to live your life a king.
अबे पूरी के लिए जगह नहीं है, एडजस्ट कर लेना साइड में.
As I am a banker, I will say, according to point of the bank, that you should start investing in stock market and all that. These are like investing in stock market is like very good. Like you will get higher return. So it is like you should invest in stock market.
Any stocks you'd like to recommend?
ये फंस गया सी.
Rather than stock, we can invest in SIPs.
SIP is best option.
SIP is best option.
Like monthly, you can start with 500 or some 500. It is like you can invest 500 SIP monthly. It will be good for you.
So you don't have to be like a working individual or a person. You can be a student and start
And
with 500.
most important thing, you should always invest in for the long term, not for the short term. Long term investment is a best option for.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
People say that money can buy happiness. Is that something that is true, or do you all? Yeah.
It's subjective sometimes.
Okay. Okay. Is that true, or do you think only broke people say it?
Maybe.
Yeah.
50.
Maybe. How so?
Because without money we can't do anything.
फिर से आ गए रे बाबा, इधर जहर खाने का पैसा नहीं है तुझे.
Or we can't means we cannot live without money.
Like according to me, like if you are if you want to be happy now, then you can be happy like in small amount. It's just thing like that you just enjoy that much.
Satisfied that much.
That much you have, you just
How
use
money
that.
we can enjoy, we can spend our life as means according to us. Yes.
Okay.
Satisfaction has no limit. Like you will never be satisfied.
Yeah.
बट जब आपके पास मनी हो तो ऐसा नहीं कि हम सबकी तरह मीन्स सबकी जगह वो स्पेंड करें, बट हमारे हाथ में वो ये होना चाहिए कि हाँ नहीं हम इधर खर्च कर रहे हैं, हम उधर खर्च कर रहे हैं. हाँ, तो लिमिट होना चाहिए. जब हमारे पास मनी हो तो हमारे पास लिमिट होना चाहिए खर्च करने की.
तो आप लोगों की जब पे आती है तो आप लोग सेविंग्स करते हो कि
हाँ,
50% इन द अकाउंट?
50% सेविंग में जाती है, 50% फैमिली खर्च के लिए जाता है और 50% हम खर्च करते हैं ऐसा.
Your finance minister right here. What about you?
It's 50% my SIP, and then 50% I keep it to myself.
Very nice. ये balance करके रखते
Yes.
हो आप.
Like I don't able to save that much, but 20% I 20% I save.
आप बहुत मजे करते हो.
Because I'm a student, so
अच्छा.
I have to live like a beggar now.
मिनिस्टर के साथ, अब क्या बोले, और वो तो बैंकर है ही, वो तो आगे चली जाएंगी हम सब से. Okay, so guys, tell me, what is that one financial mistake that you all made in your life? Not yet.
No, not it.
बैंकर से क्या पूछूं? Okay, तो ये
अभी बता दिए कि पैसा कैसे सेव करना है.
पैसा तुम्हारा है, बताऊंगी मैं.
बात तो सही है.
Okay guys, ये बताइए कि okay, so you all have never been scammed? कोई भी money scam? तो हम ही हैं.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
पास हुआ है स्कैम
हुआ है, हाँ,
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए.
तो मुझे भी डबल कराना है पैसा.
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए जो मींस जो साइट होती है रादर देन लाइक अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट, उधर हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना नहीं चाहिए और उसके पास से हमें खरीदना नहीं चाहिए.
क्यों आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो?
क्योंकि वो पता नहीं था ना कि वो ओरिजिनल साइट है या कॉपी करके बनाई हुई है, वो हमें पता नहीं चलता. तो जो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है उधर से हमें ये परचेस करना चाहिए.
आपके साथ पर्सनली क्या स्कैम हुआ था?
एक्चुअली वो जो इंस्टाग्राम पे जो कॉपी वाली वेबसाइट्स आती है ना, उधर से मुझे स्कैम हुआ था. तो बाद में मैंने इंस्टाग्राम से परचेस करना छोड़ ही दिया. बाद में मैं अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट जो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स होती है ना, उधर से मैं परचेस करती हूँ.
हार्ड रिलेट हो चुका है.
Same. Once I also got cheated like same. I ordered one wax statue of my parents, mother and father. But later when I ordered, I also did payment also. But later he was not picking my call. He said that I send it that you track.
कैंडल तो पिघल गई.
And I was calling him again and again, and he didn't respond it. And like.
Damn. हाँ, so these scams हमें बच के रहना है उससे.
सतर्क रहें.
What advice would you all like to give our viewers that you know what is the best financial advice?
ऑलरेडी SIP में इन्वेस्ट करना
Invest
चाहिए.
करो.
हाँ.
और आप
Spend your money wisely.
You should not kill your
Aspirations.
हाँ, aspirations.
जहाँ
You
खर्च करना है खर्च
करो.
80% खर्च.
20% you save for your future.
20% save करो.
हाँ.
Yeah, very nice. Guys, so nice meeting you all.